Sorry, am I disturbing anything?
No, you're not. Miss Suarez, have you met Agent Brissett?
I've heard the name.
Forgive my manners. Please, have a seat. Miss Suarez, I wasn't aware that you were still here. I thought you had gone back to Colombia, was it?
If you remember correctly, sir, remember I told you that I was doing some investigations. So I'll be staying here for a while.
A while? Okay. But you checked out of your Airbnb.
Yes, I did. For security reasons.
So, you have anything you want to share?
I was hoping we could talk in private.
Maybe I should have introduced Angie a little more succinctly. This is my heir apparent, not to mention my daughter.
I thought we were in agreement that you were not going to interfere in the Xpressionz case.
Excuse me?
Mr. Mullings, the agency specifically requested that you and your team back off.
Back off? Me not think I like the sound of that word.
No, hold on, G, hold on. Relax. Let me explain something to you. It's my fault. I'm remiss. I never made it clear. There are two things people can't tell me what to do and when to do it. Go to the bathroom. I run this agency. So I'm going to suggest that you take it down a notch and explain exactly what you're talking about.
The guns in the container at the wharf. That's what I'm talking about.
Guns? At the wharf? At the wharf? Please, expound. You seem to have far more information than I do.
Oh yes, I have all that information. The guns and the serial number.
You guys have more nerve than an aching tooth. This is my playing field. I make the rules, I blow the whistle for call foul, and I issue red cards.
We're not trying to step on your toes, and we're not trying to restrict your movements. But we're two agencies working together. So why we don't have this information? Or should I call Cynthia?
Is that a threat, Miss Suarez? But let me make you a promise. You come in here and try utilize people you think you might know to get around me, you will discover a very unfortunate truth. The only thing worse than shitting on the sidewalk is if you're stepping on it too.
Let me explain this to you again, Mr. Mullings. Tony Xpressionz is linked to a weapons industry that is a multi-billion-dollar business. We are trying to use him to get to the major players, and you're stepping in our way. So I'm going to ask you again, kindly back off.
And if we don't,
Nice to meet you, Agent Mercy, right? Oh, I have some information that there will be an all-out war soon between the contractor Carlton Wallis and Antonio Esperanza. We're just asking that you keep, you know who, safe.
What do you mean you know who? Who you are talking about?
Let's just say, I don't care about the contract.
You hearing what I hearing?
Have a nice day, Mr. Mullins. Oh, Agent Percent. Oh, have you heard from Ray?
Who?
who is Ray?
Savage. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys call him Raymond. I call him Ray. Bye.
Put me for. Angie, look on the bright side. There are no women where he is.